What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see by the thumbnail and the title, I still follow Quirky Crate on their Instagram. I don't get their boxes anymore because I love getting the stuff, but my house can't keep up with it. Do you know what I mean? I don't know where to put things right now. I saw they had a 90s themed box again. I got the first one they did. So I had to sign up again, at least just for this box. Oh yeah, 90s theme, 90s edition Quirky Crate. Ellie really wanted to open this last night and she kept putting it in my face, and I can already say, I don't know if it's my pregnancy, but I can freaking smell bubblegum. It smells like bubblegum. I smell it. We're gonna see if it's in here. I do miss getting these boxes. They always have the cutest stuff. So here's the pamphlet. Super 90s looking. Here is the artist for this month. Poppy Almond is either her name or, oh my god, look at her shirt. Can you see her Homer backing into the bushes shirt? Alright, so, no way. The first thing is a Trapper Keeper enamel pen. Look how freaking cute they are. That's adorable. I'm already freaking excited for this box. I need to zoom in. The next thing in here is it's from the artist Poppy Almond, and it is a sticker sheet. There are all the adorable stickers. Cute. I feel like we're going through this really quick. I'm just freaking excited to see everything in here. Holy shit. Yes. Oh my god. Did you guys have one of these pens? The ones that have all these colors that you can click through? Oh my god. So yeah, it has like the main one, black, purple, green, yellow, red, and blue. Oh my god, how freaking cute. I'm so stoked. I was right. I smelled it. Ellie has never had bubblegum, so I'm gonna have to hide this for her for when she wakes up and wants to open this box. Oh my god, it smells so good. I can't wait to eat some. The next thing in here, I think matches a pen we got from the other 90s box. We just got a lone little troll here. Look at that cutie. I wish I had a jewel belly. Whoa! But yeah. These trolls I have to hide from my cat because she takes them and runs off. Oh, here she comes. She likes to try and run off with them. Oh my god, I just want to peek. The next thing I grabbed are a pair of socks. They've used this brand before. The brand is called Totoro. It's these cute ass yellow socks. It has lollipops on them. Looks like little licorice pieces. Super cute. And then we've got... No way, no way. Oh my god. This is the 90s Babe Fashion Emergency Kit. There's the outside, and then it shows what's in there. Oh my god, guys. I see butterfly clips, scrunchies. Oh my god. Alright, there's a scrunchie. Who wore these as bracelets? Yes. I'm so excited right now. What were these called? It's these little necklaces. Oh! That I'm totally scared I'm going to break putting over my big ass head. Please don't break. Oh my god. I totally remember these. I don't know how, I don't know if it's because I'm chubby, but I hate wearing chokers now. I will try and keep it on. Oh my god. Okay. And then the last ones in here are a handful of butterfly clips and two, I can't think of what these are called right now. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There you go. I feel like a goofball. The next thing comes in one of these little things you used to get from gumball machines. I cannot open it. Oh, it pushed on the baby. It looks like, it's like a little plastic pretend Casio watch. This doesn't feel like anything like what we used to have, but here's the watch. Look how freaking cute. I feel like this is hands down my favorite Quirky crate I've received before, ever. Alright, there's two more things in here. Oh god, I looked. The one I just pulled out is a sweet ass burgundy beret with a heart. I can never figure out how to wear these because I have a big, oh yeah, see, I have a big head. And this does not fit over my big head, like at all. This may have to be for Ellie. Nope, I don't know how you're supposed to wear them. I'm not trying. It is super cute. It's not big head friendly though. Keeping my little clips in. And then the last thing in here, look at this clutch. Oh my lord, look how freaking cute this is. There's a chain in here per usual. I feel like these are never actually useful for carrying anything other than your phone, but you know, I'm fine with that. A little silver chain. These are perfect for Instagram pictures. These little sized purses. Yeah, I'm obsessed. Even if you don't use it as a purse, like sticking it up on a shelf looks so freaking cute. We'll go over the prices real quick. The enamel pin is $10. The cassette tape purse was $28. The fashion emergency kit was $7.95. The pen, all the different colored pen thing was $3. The sticker pack was $5.75. The 90 socks were $8. The beret was $16. The watch was $12, and then the gum was $2. So that comes out to $92.70. I believe with tax and shipping for me, this box comes out to about $40. So yeah, this is hands down my favorite Quirky crate box I have ever received. Before I canceled, I think I had it for maybe a year, maybe longer. But yeah, that's my favorite, hands down. I don't fully remember every single box I've gotten, but I know this is the most giddy I've been about a box. So I know quite a few of you would comment that you do get this as well. So let me know, are you still getting it? Did you love this box? Yeah. Sorry, I don't do them anymore. Like I said, I honestly have so many of these boxes sitting with the stuff still in them because I don't know what to do with them. I love all the stuff in there, but some of it I'm just like, oh my god, I don't know what to do. Like the socks obviously get put away right away. If you could hit the like button, subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you next time. Bye! This actually is really comfortable now. I don't feel it anymore.